Hi everyone, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel. I'm in the Dolly Studio today and I have some mail. This is actually sort of semi-related Dolly crafting kind of mail. I actually have been starting to watch, unfortunately, JTV.com Jewelry School in particular. So I don't know if anybody's familiar with that channel. They also have a Facebook page. And even though I don't make jewelry as much as I used to anymore, I still do a lot of beading and that kind of thing, especially when it's related to dolls, especially customized dolls. I like to do things with the beads in their hair, and I like to add things to their pull charms and that kind of thing, or even make jewelry for the dolls. And I saw something the other day on there, and I think that's what's in this bag. So I just could not resist. It looked so interesting. So let me open up these bags here for you. Like I said, this is crafting supplies that I think I can use somehow for the dolls. At least that was in my mind when I bought this kit. So let's see what we have. All right, so I have two packages, and I'm not really sure why, because even though I ordered more than one thing, 3 items to be exact, I did order them at the same time, so I'm not sure why I got 2 packages, because these actually arrived on the same day too. So all right, let me take this. Oh, there's the receipt. Let me get the receipt out so you don't see private information about me. And then, oh, it's in a box. All right, so it's in a box. Interesting. And we have, there's a little bag too. Wonder why there's a bag. All right, so here are the Colorful Soul silicone brush set. And they're paint brushes, but the ends of them are silicone. And I like them because you can see how, like, this one has a really narrow tip. So I thought not only would these be useful for the little other items I'm about to show you. Anyway, I thought these might be interesting and might be useful for face-ups versus a traditional paintbrush. So we've got that. Why they sent that all to me in a separate box, I'm not exactly sure. And then I have this little baggie. All right, so let's see. Maybe the other 2 items are in the other box, because I can feel there's a box in this one too. Also, let me take out the receipt off camera. All right, this also came in a box, smaller box. Oh, all right, so I'm missing one item still. Okay, I'm missing the paint. All right, these, though, are wooden pendants. All right, so they've been, you know, burnished or burned into wood. I got what's called, I don't remember what this is called, the Lotus set maybe or something. But I liked how, so here's one. It's got a lotus flower, butterfly, leaves. But not only, and you can see they have holes in them already drilled through. Oh, this is Colorful Soul. So what, do I pull that off? They have videos on the site so that I can go back to and look to see, because they showed this on air and they painted them and then they popped them out, and you can see there's holes in here already, so you could put jump rings in them. And I thought these would be really cool, not just for jewelry, but for pull charms, because they're so lightweight, you know. Here's the next one. It's got, again, lotus, and then like some geometric shapes. We got the lotus flowers again, and some leaves. And then like a half moon, wanderlust. These would be cool earrings. Yeah, so this is the set. I guess I've got the third thing, I guess, is going to come separate. That's kind of odd. Now, if I remember correctly, I did not pay for shipping. Shipping came with, because I purchased a certain amount. I also had, they have this thing where if you spend a certain amount, or is it your first purchase? Yeah, your first purchase, you end up getting what they call brilliant cash. And so I had bought some necklaces for gifts. I bought one necklace for myself, and then I gave the other as gifts to family members. So I had the $40 brilliant cash burning a hole in my pocket. So that's why I decided when I saw this this group of supplies to go ahead and go for it. So I got these, I got the brushes, and I got some paint. So I guess the paint's coming in a separate mail. All right, so probably what I'll do then is before I edit this and post it, I'll wait till I get the paints, and then I'll show you the paints, and then that way you can see everything together. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm very excited. I love to paint. I really like painting, and I'm not great at it. So I thought these might be just kind of fun and not uberly difficult to do. This one's really pretty. I love that butterfly. All right, guys. So yeah, I'm going to stop here and insert the next video that's going to show the paint whenever it shows up. All right, so here is the rest of my package. Why they sent this in 3 separate packages, I do not know, but I should have the paints that go with the pendants and paintbrushes. So yeah, again, it's a box with a bag, I guess. Okay, I can recycle those, and these are the paints. So these paints, they had actually a couple of different palettes. This is more of their earthy tone, their earth tones. Honestly, I wasn't sure which. They had like a jewel tone and this earth tone, and I wasn't sure at first which I was going to get, but when I went on, I had a hard time finding the jewel ones. Their website is not, oops, it's not the easiest to navigate, which I guess is a good thing, because then I won't buy as much. But yeah, interesting. So you shake it up. I saw her shake it up on air. You can hear there's something in there. So yeah, so these are the paints. Did they show the colors? So this is earth, blue fluorite, moss, clay, and what's this? This one is sandstone. Okay, interesting. So yeah, those are the paints that I got. Here are the paints. Here are the pendants. Here are the brushes. And yeah, I think not only are these great for just jewelry making, but I'm thinking we could also use these, we as in myself, for when I customize dolls and I want to add something to their pull charms. These are very lightweight, and I can customize them as well, paint them whatever colors I want. Yeah. All right, let me know in the comments down below, what do you think about this little paint set? Have you ever tried anything like this before or not? And as usual, I always appreciate a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Have a wonderful dolly day. Bye-bye.